What's up? I'm Treniushenderson. You're tuning into the famous Living Room Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're doing right. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Treniushenderson. I teach people how to use the law of attraction effectively, okay? And in this video, listen, in this video, I'm going to reveal to you 5 secret signs that your manifestation is almost here and your breakthrough is very, very close. Now, chances are your manifestation is here, okay? If you were compelled to watch this video, then that probably means that the universe is trying to get you to know something, trying to get you to understand something. But that's okay, because I'm about to tell you all 5 signs, all 5 secret signs, because nobody ever gonna tell you this stuff, okay? That your manifestation is very close. Do you feel like, something is coming, but you just don't know what the signs are? You just like, I know I'm doing everything right. You're staying on a positive track. You're doing the best to balance your thoughts out. You're speaking it, you're believing it, and then you know that you're waiting on to receive it. You're doing all this stuff, but you're just trying to figure out how do you know? How do you know that you are very close to this breakthrough? Well, in this video, I'm about to reveal it to you, okay? Are you ready? All right, so listen, on every sign, just simply give this video a thumbs up on whatever sign resonates with you, okay? Be honest, all right? Now, the first sign that the universe will give to you to let you know that your breakthrough is very, very close is when the universe begins to speak over you through other people, okay? This could be strangers. This could be coworkers. This could be family members. This could be friends. When people start telling you what you're going to receive in the future, and they don't even know what your manifestation is, they don't even know what's going on in your mind, and all of a sudden they just come out and tell you, hey, this is going to happen to you, and it's always something great. They're telling you all these great things that you're going to be doing in your future. People can see your blessings. They see what the universe is going to give you. If you got people that's having dreams about you, telling you what you're going to receive, that's a giveaway right there that the universe is telling you that thing that they said that you're going to receive is very, very close, okay? That's the first sign. If you're experiencing that, give this video a thumbs up because your manifestation is almost here, all right? Now, the second sign, the second secret sign that your manifestation is almost here is when you feel very, very tense anticipation, okay? You just anticipating this thing. You don't know where it's going to come from. You don't know when it's going to happen. You just find yourself some nights just laying in the bed like, oh my God, I cannot wait to it. And half of the time, you don't even say that. Half of the time, you just like, okay, I'm still going to be calm. I'm still not going to question the universe. Is this you? Is this you? Do you feel like you're really anticipating it, like your favorite show is about to come on, but you're just waiting like, when is this manifestation going to come? And sometimes it feels like it's overdue. I mean, don't you feel like you're supposed to have it already? I mean, it feels like you can just hold the manifestation. Like you got it already. It feels like you're there already. But for some strange reason, it's like things aren't lining up yet, in order for you to receive that manifestation. Well, there you go. This means that you are very, very close to your manifestation. Now, you're at a point right now where you've done all the best that you can. You've done all the things that you're supposed to do, and you're always constantly doing the things that you're supposed to do. But now it's time for the universe to do its part, and that's what you always waiting on. You just like, I wonder what the universe is gonna do to me today. I wonder what's gonna come to for you. I wonder this day. I wonder that day. You just know that the manifestation is gonna come. You just don't know when, because you're at a point right now where there's really nothing else you can do. So if you feel like a heightened sense of anticipation for this manifestation, then that means that you're feeling it. You know it's coming, okay? And the universe is going to give it to you because you are very, very close to it, okay? And so the third secret sign that your manifestation is almost here and your breakthrough is close is when you begin to attract like a totally different type of wave of people in your life, okay? You begin to attract new friends. Okay, you begin to attract new type of relationships. Now, this is like a whole level up from where you used to be. Okay, you're not even on the same level that you used to be on no more. Now you're like on a whole new level, and you can notice it because it even makes you question yourself sometimes. Is that you? Like, it makes you question yourself sometimes, like, yo, I am really doing it good. I'm doing my thing, you know, I'm doing good. You know, I'm using the law of attraction properly. Ah, man, I'm on a new level. How many of you feel like you're on a new level? Comment below right now of this video and just say, I'm on a new level, and put your name beside it. Just comment right now and just say, I'm on a new level. If you are experiencing a totally different type of people coming into your life, then this means that your manifestation is almost here. And as a matter of fact, these people that you are attracting into your life, they're on the same vibration as you. That's why you're attracting a totally different type of people. When your vibration rises, you know, and your energy increases and all this stuff, you start to attract the same people that's on that same level, okay? No longer are you hanging with other people, you know, that ain't on your frequency no more. Now you're on a totally different frequency, and it feels so good, but at the same time, it feels so new, you know, and it's like, oh, man, I'm waiting on this manifestation come. This must mean that I'm attracting it, okay? So if you're attracting a totally different type of people into your life, people that are on the same vibration, these are people that you've always wanted to be around. Now they finally coming into your life. This is a secret sign that your manifestation is almost here and your breakthrough is very, very close. Okay? Is that you? Give this video a thumbs up if that's you. Now, the fourth sign, the fourth secret sign that your manifestation is almost here is when things just begin to just seem to fall in place. Like when you lose something, there you go. You turn around. You got it. Your phone case. Oh, man, you got your phone case. Like, it's like you could not do this on your own. You started to take notice of the universe, like actually doing things for you. Yeah, is that you? Do you be noticing that from time to time? Well, that means your breakthrough is very, very close, because see, what the universe is doing is making paths for you. It's making a bridge for you because you've done and you're doing all that you're supposed to do. Now the universe is doing its part, you know, the part behind the scenes that you can't see that's going on. And so right now you're in a position right now where you can't afford to go backwards. So the universe is thrusting you forward, okay? You're like on a float on water, you know? You're just floating across, and the universe is just holding you and carrying you and making your path straight. Okay, so if you're experiencing like a divine covering almost, it's like God is it's like God's hand is touching your life and your journey and just making sure that, you know, you actually get this manifestation. That's definitely a sign that your manifestation is close, folks. I mean, it don't get no more obvious than that. When you got like the universe like doing weird, mysterious stuff for you that you know you could not do. You know you would have been messed up if this never happened, right? Okay, if that's you, if you got God presence helping you out, then this is definitely a sign that you're about to be thrusted into a new level, and that manifestation is almost here, okay? And your breakthrough is very, very close. So if that resonated with you, give this video a thumbs up, okay? Now, the fifth secret sign that your manifestation is almost here, how about you give us a fifth sign, okay? Maybe I didn't mention one of the signs that you're experiencing right now in your journey. That's cool. Let us know. We want to understand what you know. What is a sign that you're experiencing right now, you know, trying to manifest things that you don't think that nobody else is experiencing? Just simply leave a comment below. Just write down below. Just leave a comment and just let us know what you're experiencing. Write your sign down because I want to know. I want to reply to you, okay? So if this video resonated with you folks, just simply give this video a thumbs up. If it resonated with you, if your manifestation is almost here, just simply give this video a thumbs up to confirm to the universe that you saw this video and that you know that your breakthrough is very, very close. Okay, so with that being said, simply just set it in stone, leave a comment below right now and say, my manifestation is close. Just write below in the comment section, my manifestation is close. And put some little emojis beside it too to separate yourself from everybody else, okay? This is serious business. Congratulations, your manifestation is close. There's nothing you should worry about. Just hang in there, continue to stay positive, continue to do what you're doing, and continue to stay open to the signs that I just mentioned in this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Treniushenderson. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel by clicking my face icon. That's me. Click my face icon to subscribe, but make sure that you hit that bell notification so that you can be notified daily when I upload new videos. If you have not hit the bell notification, you will miss out on videos that I upload here daily. Okay, in the meantime, check out one of these other videos right here. Both of them are excellent videos, and they can help you understand a little bit more about when your manifestation is close, okay? So with that being said, I will see you in the next video. Peace.